Alabama's Attorney General says it's time to do something about the effects of social media on young people.
In recent years, research has shown algorithm-based social media platforms can have a negative effect on a child's mental health.
The concerns prompted Alabama Attorney General Steve Marshall to join dozens of other state AGs in signing onto a letter to Congress, urging them to take action. He talked about the issue with WSFA 12 News reporter Simon Schuessler.
Some reports show that extended social media use has a negative impact on children, and some in Congress are trying to take action through the Kids Online Safety Act. In fact, Alabama Attorney General Steve Marshall is joining more than 30 other state AGs in fighting to make the bill a law before Congress adjourns in January.
I think you see attorney generals across the country that are very concerned about the impact of social media on young people, particularly young girls. And I think Congress has an opportunity to be able to lay a baseline of what it is that we're going to do to be able to protect our kids.
The bill aims to limit the ability of others to communicate with minors on social media. It would also give companies the choice to allow minors to opt out of personalized algorithms or limit what algorithms can recommend. Another feature of the bill, restricting features that encourage extended social media use.
I think that can become a fundamental baseline in law, and then we allow the states to decide whether or not they want to create more stringent measures to be able to protect kids.
For parents, the Kids Online Safety Act would allow you to manage your child's privacy and account settings, as well as restrict purchases. Also, you'd be able to see how much time your kid is spending on a platform and restrict that time how you see fit.
For most of us that are raising kids, we weren't exposed to this in the same way as our young people are now. And to the extent that we can educate parents, that we can equip them with the ability to be proactive with regard to social media use, then I think everybody benefits.
Now, the bill does have its fair share of opposition as well from pro-life, pro-LGBT, and digital rights groups. A common criticism is the bill being viewed as an internet censorship bill that would prevent minors from free access to information that would violate the First Amendment. AG Marshall says the bill has nothing to do with the First Amendment, and it's all about parents being able to make sure their child is viewing appropriate content. The Kids Online Safety Act already passed the Senate in July, Val, but it has yet to be brought to the House floor.
And you're right, Simon, it was an overwhelming 91-3 vote for the bill in the Senate. It will be interesting to see if it gets a vote from the House before January.